Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to add TikTok to Insta's bio link. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. Now click on the three marks which are present at the right top corner. Click on setting and privacy. Now click on the account. Now click on the share profile. You can see the option of copy link. Copy link from here. Your link will be copied. Now open your Insta. Click on this app. Now click on the profile. Your app will open. Now click on the edit profile. You can see add link. Now you can add your link here and you can paste your link here. Now click on this mark and write some title which you want to add. Now click on this blue mark. Your TikTok link will be open in your Insta. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciable. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.